Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can easily delete your account on Etoro. So what you want to do is just simply be in Etoro, and when you're gonna be here, you want to go on a bottom left and click settings. When you're gonna be in settings, what you want to click on is account, but right before that I'm going to turn on the image so you don't see my data. So you click on account right here. There is account, click on it. Right then you can have all your information like email, password and phone number. And when you're gonna scroll down below, you're gonna see close account. When you're gonna be here in close account, you're gonna choose category, tell us where living. Let's say payment issues, continue. And you just did you solve your problem? Yes, and I still want to close my account. And now, what's going to happen? Your account will be blocked, your profile will become private, however, your community activities, application, please, blah, blah, blah. The process may take up 3 days. We'll send an email of your registered email address. So, yeah. And keep my account open, or you can cancel it, remove it. So this is pretty much it, and how you can delete your account in Etoro. Thank you very much guys, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.